Good guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money online. You can work from home. You don't have to have a boss, and you can freaking make your own money, and you can make tons of money. I'm going to show you how to do this. Here's how much I made last month. Here's how much I made yesterday. Sad. Here's how much I made today. And I could show you guys my other, like networks I'm in, like ClickBank and Amazon, all those ones. This is Max Bounty right here. Here's how much I made this month with them. 42,000. I wish it was 100,000, but whatever. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to make money doing this. Okay, it's extremely powerful. No one really understands how to truly make money with CPA marketing. And so I'm going to share with you some secrets. If you guys want to get into my course, whatever, you can learn more from me there. I share the actual crazy secrets. I've got multiple different courses. You can look into them if you want, but whatever. So let me show you all these different things. So here's the new campaigns, all right? It's whatever. If you want to get into an offer that's new, you're going to be the first mover. So that's the first mover advantage. It's great. Doesn't look like there's too many great ones here. I'm in the health niche, so I promote stuff like this. So this is a pretty good one. I promote to my email list, which I have around 100,000. Little over 100,000 right now, subscribers on there, but I just email blast them new offers, mainly CPA offers or ClickBank offers or Amazon health offers, stuff like that. And let's just look at the top campaigns here. So if we go over here, the top campaigns would be this one right here, this one right here. I also do sweepstakes. I didn't tell you guys about that, by the way. Sweepstakes are lit. Okay, all you have to do is just fill out like a lead. So, get people to fill out a lead. Sorry, I'm chewing gum right now. I can't even think. But basically, every time someone fills out a lead, so let me show you. You click over here. Every single time someone fills out this right here, the email, the password, and confirms password, you make $2.80 per lead. You can only do 200 actions per day, and that's why I look for the ones with no cap. There's ones with no cap. There's different CPA marketing networks like Purify, Click Dealer, etc., CPA Grip. Oh, dude, CPA Grip rocks. I'm making a lot of money in that one. That one's where you can content lock, okay? And I actually have a course coming out on that one, how to content lock. But anyways, as you can see, these are all the top offers. If you get into one of these niches right here, like for example, credit, Life Points is a crazy offer. Dude, they got that offers everywhere for like every country. Disability guide, of course, anything to do with credit scores, antivirus. It comes down to different traffic sources. So let me show you antivirus. They're going to say, oh, you can only promote with, let's see, social, native, display, contextual, and mobile ads. Sorry. So they all say you have to promote with different ones. What I highly recommend is you just keep it simple. You're probably a beginner. I recommend making tons of content. Boost the content that works, that's proven to do well with your audience. Boost that content. Make sure you have a funnel in place where you're selling something. With my health funnel, I'm actually making more money with the info products I built than the actual, well, it's kind of like close. So the CPA offers I'm doing, they're pretty close to the offers that I created. But you basically with your funnel, you want to have your own offers, and then you want your back end to be the affiliate offers. No one tells you about that with affiliate marketing. But anyway, trending campaigns right here. These are ones that are working right now, guys. Usually it's going to be sweepstakes and the health niche. That's why I'm in the sweepstakes and the health niche. I mainly run sweepstakes and by the way, my email list with sweepstakes, I don't know if I want to share that, but hundreds of thousands of emails, okay? And I love sweepstakes more than the health niche. But anyways, yeah, I highly recommend if anyone gets started, do lead gen stuff, not like cost per sale stuff like this, okay? Do ones that are sweepstake offers, okay? Let's look at Max Bounty's favorite. Yep, Max Bounty always talks about this one. They love this one. 20 actions per day means they're getting a lot of volume, and they have to they have to manage that. Those are just what I bookmarked and recently viewed. So that's basically it, guys, actually. I tried to just tell you kind of the strategy. I gave you some secrets in this video. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Check out the new stuff in the description and the courses, and binge watch some other videos. I will see you in the next videos. Peace out.